How to remove your hometown on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Now click these 3 points and then click edit profile, then scroll down, click profile, and now on here scroll down and here will find your hometown. If you want to remove it, all you need to do just delete it and save it. Don't forget to save, and that's it. As you see, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.